Dell here. As long as we're in this area behind the house, I wanted to point out that we installed a search kind of a, I don't know if you'd call it a safety light, but that stay on that long. But one of the uses for that is when I come home at night and drive the car down the driveway towards the garage, at a certain point it kicks on. And you approach the house, same thing, it kicks on and provides light. It's a safety feature. It's got, the light itself is kind of brilliant. It's not staying on right now. But normally kind of the wind and the leaves moving at night is enough to kick it in. And so this had a difficulty of installation. It installed into this electrical box, which you can't see, but it's behind this black outfit here. And the wiring of it took some doing. It took two of us, and it took kind of a delicate, precise kind of operation to get the thing installed the way it was supposed to be. But as far as I'm concerned, it was worth it. Again, it was one of those items that I think is extremely useful, and it provides security again. And price-wise, it's kind of in between the camera, and it's halfway up the scale going towards what the camera costs. And worth every penny of it to me, especially, like I say, when I'm I've got the car in reverse going towards the garage, and then at a certain point it takes that into effect, and then the light comes on. And at night again it provides light if somebody comes to the door in the nighttime. So I recommend this if you got the know-how and you got somebody helping you install it. And that's this particular installation. It just went into an existing box. I think this electrical box had a plate on it. We took the plate off and then followed the instructions and wired it in. And it so that's another feature, one of the improvements to the house that I think a lot of people in certain situations could find extremely useful. So for now, do it yourself, Dell, signing off. See you next time.